Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Burger King app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, you go down to looking for Burger King app here, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to here in this list, you click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, click here on clear cache, then you go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store, then you search for Burger King. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.